In this video, I'm going to show how to do nested functions in Python. This is creating a function. You put def space f of x or f of whatever you want. If you're familiar with mathematics, it's similar to that. You pass in whatever data you want as x, and then it'll do stuff to it. In this case, this will square it, so it'll be x squared. It'll return that. So just say x is 3, and pass in 3 into g of x. It would be 3 times 2, which is 6. This g of x would output 6, and that output of 6 would go into f of x. So 6 would go into here, and then it would square it, which is 36. If I save and run it, it's 36. What do you know? It worked. That's how you do nested functions in Python. Create a function, and you put it in another function, and the output of that inner function becomes the input of the outer function. That outer function outputs a result, and that's the result of the nested function. It sounds a bit complicated, but it works. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks.